What? Wow. Kí ló ṣe ọmọdé? Ṣé o mọ̀?
Oga dey call you dey. Sir, boss me by call me. Oya, come on. Stay here.
Kí ló ṣe ẹ́? Ṣé o yá wèrè? Ṣé you see àgbàlagbà like us, you no fit greet abi? Where your phone? Owó ẹ̀dà? Rashid.
What do you talk? You
Yeah! Kí ló? Ṣé o yá wèrè? Like say you dey run mental, I go run enter you. Where your money?
I no get.
Rashid, search this guy. Search her.
Oga mi, nothing dey here. This guy dry o. Nothing.
You sure? So you just dress like this? Oh no, so we'll be by.
See, I dey go meet person who collect money now. The person don go. Excuse me, sir. Please, I fit get 1,000 naira. The man take it out for shop. They go where they go.
So as you dress like this, you try. You say àgbàlagbà cause instead of you to away bonus. You dey really show that.
Well, sorry, 1,000.
Rashid, bá mi fún ọmọdé 1,000. Fún one bay.
Wow. Now because of Oga dey comot for here.
Rashid, ta ló rí? Wá. Ó gbọ́.
Na phone dey ring now.
Ṣé na for your mouth?
Rashid.